Good day, Kukay Gaming's here, no? So, we're here again on Roblox Grow a Garden. So, I think for this day, our aim is to have like 50 million. I think we can do that, bro, for this. So, for your information of everyone, I am not playing really this game, no? But my kids are playing this game while I'm offline, no? When I am not playing. So, let's have a look at what they did. Bro, what the hell is this? Bro, my garden is just like small. What? What happened, bro? Bro, I got like a dinosaur, bro. What's this? What's this? A moon melon. If you want to speak, you can come here. Oh, what's this? Bro, what happened to this garden, bro? There's so many. So, and I got like 31 million. How is the currency again? Shekels. Okay, shekels. How do you spell that, bro? What's this? Are you giving me this one? Okay. Your trade is pricing. Test selected. Okay. Okay, how do you use this again? Oh, I remember now. So, I need to go to the seeds, right? Check if there are like good ones here. Blueberry. Let's go all the way. Oh, bro, it's pepper seed. This good, bro?
Yeah.
I gonna buy this pepper seed. Wow. Okay. This is Matthew and my garden is here. Bro, what happened to my garden, bro? It looks like now a jungle. And there's like, what's this one? A pig? What's this one, bro? What's this one?
A mole.
Mali. And there's an age. And there's a dinosaur, Zeffy.
What is that?
What does it do? How do you wait lang, I'll plant first. How do you plant again? Here. Right? Plant this pepper. Okay. When will it so our aim now is to get to 50 million, bro. Can we do that? Can you help me? Bro, from 30 million to... Okay. Okay, I'll just collecting. Yeah, I'm just collecting, bro. I'm just collecting. You could gift also. What happened, bro? There's so many now. What's this moon mango, bro? This is a big one. There's a giant pine cone. Do you have a giant bound cone? Do you have one? How did you get this one, bro?
What?
Who played this?
Sell.
Now, okay. So Matthew, it's okay though. So I want to sell my inventory, bro. Oh my god, this 34 million already. I think we can go now to our goal. Only 16 mil. Okay. Bro. Moon mango. What the hell? Hey, is this mine? Oh no, this is Matthew's. Sorry, that's Matthew's farm. So how do I get the moon mango? Where's the moon mango here, bro? No, in English. Yeah, ito? This what? This moon mango. How can I collect? I need to go. What's this? Oh, cacao. Okay, I get the cacao. Tranquil. Ay, wait. Okay, what's this? How could I get the what?
You everything.
Bro, what's this? Are you boosting me? Bro, there's so many gifts. Who played this one? Who played? Matthew, right? Matthew played. So how do you wait? How do you get the moon mango? Ito, this kiwi, is this different? Yeah, I think. How can I get the moon mango, bro? Where's the moon mango? You need to go up. Bro, wait, bro. Where, how do I check where I have an egg? Follow you. Okay.
You have max pets. You don't have
Okay. Where? How? To jump. How do I jump? Bro, I keep bumping, bro. Bro, no. I'll do it. Bro, I'm a gamer, bro. I can... So, how do I do that? I jump. you jump there? How do you, bro? Wait, I can. I have played Assassin's Creed before. I can jump, bro. Woo! One tap. Okay. Collect this one, the moon mango. Can't I collect it at the bottom? So I really need to get up here to collect this moon mango. Paul Joa. My God, what happened to this? What the hell is this, bro? What are you doing, Macho there? Why? Whoa. Okay. Be careful. There's a coconut, bro. There's a coconut. Who did this, bro? Oh, bro. Whoa, like I'm hanging, bro. I'm hanging. Okay, there's so many coconuts, Coconuts are trash? Okay. They're bad. Okay. There's a gold coconut, bro. Okay, be careful. Wait, I need to be careful. Bro, I got... Yeah. So, oh my God, I can't understand now. There's too many. So, do I need to get all of these, bro?
No.
Delete some. Oh, how do I delete this?
No, don't delete.
Use your shovel to destroy plants. Okay, can I just...
Mango, that's your best.
Okay. What's reclaimer, bro? What did you do with this reclaimer? What's it? Okay, don't fight, bro. What do I do again? I can't understand. So wait. So our aim, you said our aim before is to get to 50 million. Okay, I'll sell this now. Okay. So I do have. Bro, we got already 41 million. So only 8 million. I'm already done. But wait, I just need to explore. Oh my God, what's this one, bro? What's this? So, bro, there's a... Bro, you keep on giving me. I'll get that in no time. The destroy. Okay. What's this pet, bro? It's just glowing, oh. How do I get this one? Kitsune. How do I get that? Take all my tranquil plants. Bro, send seed pack. Is this maple apple good, bro? Maple apple is good. Kitsune is good, bro. It's only 0.08%. And how much is this one, bro?
30.
149 Roblox. That's 269 pesos. This one, and it's only 0.808%. Only one. No, bro, that's too much. I don't want even to whale that, bro. So let's check.
You're in depth.
Yeah. Sugar apple, ember lily. This is the good one. The beanstalk, ember lily, sugar apple. How do I get how did I get that mango?
I don't know,
Matthew. Is this it? The same? The mango seed? No.
That's
it's different.
That's a better one.
The moon mango. Okay.
Oh, I don't
okay.
have that.
Bro, I can't understand, but okay.
Your kids are boosting me.
Yeah, my kids are boosting me. Wait. I need to go back to my garden and get some stuff. Oh my God, it's raining. So there's also here. What you call that? Weather. Is there weather? Mutations. What's mutations, bro? I already know how to collect fast, no? Just press the E, hold the E. Okay. Wait. Okay, just now like... My God, my garden is now so good. Oh my God, what's this? So I got a chair, bro. Bro, you keep on giving me stuff, bro. What's this? Cacao. Oh my God, like there's a huge... What's this? Oh, what the hell? You keep on giving me stuff. Oh, wow. Whoa, bro, are you giving me this one? What's this one? Yeah. What's that? What's this, like, peacock? Bro, wait, I'll sell first. I'll sell. Bro, what's that? That's big. Wait, I want to... Oh my God, I'm already 47 million. 50 million is like... very easy, but you're giving me so much stuff. So, wait lang. What? Okay, no, so... Can I just like delete all of these stupid blueberries? Yeah, So because my garden it looks like a jungle, bro. Does that look like a the garden?
It's the legendary.
Where's the legendary here? How can I know that it's legendary?
Red, yellow, legendary.
Red or yellow is legendary. Especially the moon mango, right? And how about this purple? It's okay. That's good. Okay. So, oh, what's the power of these pets, bro? What can they do? Oh, it's already max.
Give you like
Good thing. Okay. Okay, only 279,000. Anyway, okay. So I need to go back to my garden again. What's this? Blueberry. Can I just remove all of these stupid blueberries first? Blueberries. Okay, I'll remove. Can I remove the big one or no? I don't need to remove the big one because I can jump to the moon mango, right? Or I can just like...
No, you can't do it. You cannot do it. Just delete another one. Because you have
So I need to parkour to get the moon mango. So I don't need to destroy this big blueberry.
Yeah.
Because the big blueberry is used to jump here. My God, it's really hard to jump here. Yon. Okay. When will this moon mango? What's this? What's this orange? Is this also moon mango? This fuyosia.
No, it's super bad.
It's bad. What's that? Oh, they got like what? Wait, I think I need to delete some of this like rosy light, blueberry, apples. How can I get that? What are you giving me, bro? Oh, there's a cactus. My God, this. Okay, oh, how do I... Oh, it can expand, bro. But I need 250 million, bro. I don't have money. So I need 269 pesos to do that. No. Next time, I'll whale this in. So, wait. Only I'm now being confused. There's so many things. No, okay. Is there any like summary of my plants, bro? Like a summary where I can see all of my plants here, so I know, because basically, bro, this is so confusing because oh my God, it's already full. Okay, I need to sell. Okay, I have to sell my inventory. So you're boosting me. So I still got like need 3 million. Okay, I need 3 million, bro. Okay, wait, I'll check the seeds. Oh, cacao, grapes, mythical. What's the seed that I got earlier? The good one. The pepper. I got a divine. Oh, I think that's good. That's second to this prismatic, no? Okay. Gear to help your garden can be purchased from the gear stand. Okay. I can go, okay, I can get this one, no? My God, this grow a garden is so confusing because there's so many content pala. Okay, there's a pet. No, how can I get pets? Show me the egg shop. Okay. Just common egg, is this good? I can just, no, super bad. Okay, is bug egg good, bro? The dragonfly? One of the best. Okay. No, I don't want to pay to win yet. Show me the gear shop, bro. Wait. What's this cacao again? Okay, accept it. Okay, trowel. What's a trowel? How do you use this one? Moves plants. 5. Okay. So I can just move the plants, no? Speeds up plant growth. That's the watering can. Recall rights teleports to gear shop. Oh my God, you need to pay 150k just to teleport. Anyway, if you got like billions. Increase growth speed, basic, advanced sprinkler. Okay. Okay. So to make it faster, so let's put this. Oh wait, I need to go do the challenge first. I need to get the 550 million before I can like buy one. Okay. So let's go to my garden again and sell. 70 million, bro. I don't know because you're like giving me so much stuff. Wait. I think I need to really to arrange this because my garden looks like a jungle. And I got like this, like what's this? Blueberries, grapes. So the best one that grapes are good, bro. Grapes are good. Okay. Okay, I need to sell. I got like 2 million to go. 197 only. This is really a pain, so I need 2 million. Unless you're giving me like something, it's really hard. What's that, bro? That's a bell pepper. Bro, you keep on giving me stuff. Matthew is really very good, I think, in this grow garden. Oh my god, you got like 72 billion, bro. You got also boosted like me. Okay. So how do you get more shekels, bro? So aside from like just sell and plant better one, right? Okay, wait lang. I try to sell. I think I can do this. Can you like... My god, that's 290,000. Bro, you can keep on giving me so. What's that? Yeah. No, I don't want. I can get it on my own. Okay, so I need to parkour like... Oh my god, what's this one? It's a coconut. Get all the coconuts, bro. Why? Oh my god, who's this? Bro, what's this? Oh, looks garden. But why is it your garden only has so, onti lang. Few ones. You got only like this Pember Lily, beanstalk. My god, the beanstalk so big. Just like in the Jack and the Beanstalk. Okay, what will I do? Pepper. Okay. Fire flirt. Not in your garden, bro. So Ember Lily. This is the prismatic. This is what they look like. Okay. Those are big plants. Giant pine cone. Why is it giant pine cone not giant, bro? That's like a small pine cone. A small one. Wait, I'll give this. Sometimes it's bigger. Oh, this is Matthew's garden. Okay, I'll have a look at Matthew's garden. Matthew's garden looks like also a jungle, bro. Oh, I can like go up. Okay, this the bamboo. Yeah, my god. Matthew's now very colorful, bro. So many glowing things. This is your garden, Matthew? What the hell? What? Why do you have like this cart, bro? And it's like it's broken cart. What's this? What's that? Someone crashed it. My god, I'm so confused. Bro, a big one, no? Okay, also a Ember Lily, loquat. Anyway, so but that's a good one, the Ember Lily, the big one. And there's a dinosaur, bro. How did you get the dinosaur? How can I get this dinosaur? Grinding, no. Oh, what's this one? What's this? On it. I'm Honey Merchant. Okay, show me the shop. Let me see. Oh, there's a flower seed pack, bro. Okay, they got 20, bro. So, honey sprinkler, bee cart, honey crafters. What's this honey crafters? I think it's just this design. Honey fountain. I got this one, the honey fountain, bro. No? It's not good. Queen bees, this good, bro. How about the sunflower? No? So, let's try. Let's try to... How do I get the... how do I get the honey? How do I get this one? Take all my plants. So, it will become honey, right? Okay, let me see. No pollinated plant to submit. A fruit. Okay, so I need the pollinated plant. How do I get the pollinated plant, bro? Anyway, who are you? Give me pollinated plants. My god, there's no really explanation. Okay, that's a good one. Use the honey in my store. Okay. I'll try, bro. Bro, come here. I'll try to gamble, bro. Let's go. Let's try to, let's go. Come here. Let's this be good. Let's try. What do you want? Bro, a bee? This one, queen bee, or the sunflower?
Sunflower.
Sunflower. So we got 2 honeys, right? You want? Look here. Come here. Let's try. Can we get the honey?
Yeah, I'm begging you.
I'm begging you. Let's try. Whoa. What's that? Where's that? Cannot see it anymore. How will I unlock it, bro?
Sunflower?
Yeah. No. Okay. Where? Wait. Huh?
So, you know.
This one.
After
Okay.
the click.
Click.
No,
Okay.
click.
Okay, how did this click? Oh, bro, this is it. Bro, I got lilac. What's this?
That's trash.
Ah,
That's a trash.
Lilac. But I'll still plant it, bro. Even if it's lilac.
That is a rainbow coconut.
Rainbow coconut. Okay,
After I need this gold coconut.
okay, this is again, no? So I still got like 1.5 million to go, no? I need to get this. So I have got this now, Moon Mango, Rosy Delight. I really can't understand what's happening. So basically here, I just get like that the pollinated. How do I get the pollinated ones, bro? The one that Onet gives me, that ones. Okay, so wait, I'll sell. Okay, I'll sell. Ano sa my inventory now? Bro, it's 830. Oh, only 500k. Okay, but you're giving me stuff. So I don't think that's much of a challenge because you gave me so much stuff. Okay, so it's really. I think I don't now. Wait lang. I'll go to the gears and get a sprinkler. So there's like more, no? What's tranquil? What do I do with tranquil, bro? Wait lang. So get Zen. Wait lang. I'll get the gear shop first. And I make a sprinkler. Oh my god, there's none anymore. Watering can. Sprinkler. Increase growth speed and fruit size. Basic sprinkler. Godly sprinkler. Tanning. Cleaning spray. Ito. Is it this cleaning spray good? Oh my god, that's 15 million. I will not. Favorite tool. Favorite your fruit to prevent collecting. What's this? Harvest tool. Friendship. Level up lollipop. My god, I can't really understand. Anyway, since our challenge is just really, you challenge me to go to 50 million, no? So, anyway, I just need to complete the challenge, bro. That 50 million. Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm now parkouring, bro. Oh. Okay. No more Mumango, bro. No more Mumango. What's this? What am I collecting? Max back toys. Okay, I'm gonna sell it now. Oh, I got only coconuts. I need coconuts. Where's the coconuts, bro? Oh, no. Yeah. Wait, how gold. Oh, it's worth it. This is really a pain. Can't you like make a lower one here? Because it's really hard jumping, bro. Yes. Bro, it's too stupid. Bro, wait lang. Wait lang. I get the coconuts, the normal coconuts, and get the rainbow ones, right? Okay. Oh my god, I don't want to go down. Okay. Oh my god, I can't. Yeah. It's really hard, bro. It's really too hard. Is there any way that I can just like get the coconut from the bottom, bro, and don't need to go to parkour here? Oh, bro. Okay, and I already jumped, bro. Okay. Jump. Bro, what the Okay. Jump and press E. Okay. No. Can I just like climb here, bro? Oh, I can climb. Okay, I can just like... No, I don't want to pay to win to this game, bro. Okay, I think I got that one. I'm not yet. How do you know it? What do you mean? Freaking shit, it's so hard to... Wait, I'll sell first yung other. Okay, my god, I'm a gamer, but I find it frustrating to get that stupid coconut, bro. Okay. Okay, I'm now on this level. Who designed this coconut, bro, to, ano? My god, that's really a pain just to get that coconut. Bro, I'm getting old. My god. Oh my god, oh, I cannot jump there. Bro, what the hell? I think I'll just jump here to here. Okay, I think that's better. Okay, now jump here. Jump. What the hell? This is really a pain. Wait, so I'll just Yeah, what the hell? Okay, Machu. Okay. Okay, I'm here. What the heck? Get away, bro! Oh! Oh, I got it! I got the coconut. I just jump. What's that? Oh, what's this one? What's in the middle, bro? Okay, what's this one? Zen. I got like 17 Zen. And this raccoon. Okay. Take all my... What's this? Who are you? I'm Zen. Okay, what will you want to do? Give me plants and I'll grow that. This is a scammer. Take all my tranquil plants, bro. Oh, whoa, none. About this raccoon guy, what's it? Show me Zen. Ah, okay, I think this is the kitsune, right? So, I take all my tranquil plants. Okay. So, I can get what? How do I get more chi? Ah, okay, so I need the tranquil plants. Give them to this raccoon to get that, like what this one, no? The what you call this? The chi. Anyway, so I want to sell my inventory. Bro, it's 3 million. I'm already officially okay. Oh, please. Are you drawing, bro? Are you drawing, Kitsune? Oh, okay. Oh my god, but so hard, no? It's so hard to draw this Kitsune. 0.08% and you need like 149 Roblox. How much is this? My god, that's like around 100 pesos per draw. No, I think that's the way. Oh, what's this? Ooh, blueberry rainbow. Ah, okay. If it's rainbow, it's like how do you know if it's tranquil, bro? Because I want to try to draw Kitsune. How do you know if it's tranquil? No, but why are you so negative? Okay, but we got already the challenge. I got now like 50 million, but you keep on giving me stuff. Okay, my god. Bro, it's really hard to get these coconuts. My god, what does this T-Rex do? I think the bad part here is I don't know the... Ah, okay, this one. Okay, total. Gear to help your garden can be cursed from the gear stand. Okay. Favoriting item prevents your... Ah, okay, what's this? Bro, no, I don't have yet. I got only 54 million. Bro. Okay. What's this shop? Okay, oh my god, exotic garden Zed pack. What's this? Is this good, bro? If I gonna be paid to win, is this good? This like Hinomai, bro. Zenrax. What's this one, bro? This premium primal, I don't know what's this. This rainbow, is this good? Huh? Yeah, the rainbow Dilophosaurus, Ankylosaurus, what the hell is that, bro? So, okay.
Can you please gift me?
Gift you?
Yeah.
No, not yet, bro. So, it's 1%, and you get like...
It's 8%, that's still kind of hard.
But I still I can get like this stupid okay. Okay. I think no, it's not that much. It's only like 0.01%. 1 out of 10,000, bro, more or less. 1 out of 15,000. If you draw for 15,000, you can get that kitsune. Maybe you can need to watch some guides, bro, how to get that kitsune. I think there's yeah. Anyway, so I think we're done for this because I got like the challenge now. And really my what the hell? My garden really grew, no? Thanks to Machu and look, they're playing this one. And I think that's it, no? So I think this is my last sell. So I think we got a good run. So from like 31 million. Oh my god, I got like 4 million. So to 59 million. Okay. So thank you everyone and good day.